chemistry is a branch of physical science that studies the composition, structure, properties, and change of matter. Trigonometry, on the other hand, is a system of mathematics that involves the lengths and angles of triangles. Chemists use trigonometric functions to accurately describe the angles that are created when atoms bond together to form molecules.
Most applications of trigonometry in chemistry can be done using the sine function, and this trigonometric function can be applied in Bragg's law. Bragg's law describes the behavior of X-rays in relation to the lattice structure of a crystal. A crystal is a solid structure that some materials form into, which contains recurring pattern planes within the interior or on the exterior of the material. When an X-ray hits one of the interior of the planes of the crystal, the angle that the X-ray beams will be reflected off the interior of the crystal, as Bragg's law predicts. This is the equation of Bragg's law, where n is a positive integer, lambda is the wavelength of incident wave, d is the distance between atomic layers in a crystal, and theta is the scattering angle. Now, let's try out some example problems.
The inverse of a sine function can also be applied when converting the value of sine theta to the actual angle. This is how it is done. Given the value for sine theta, you transpose it to the right and write it as an arc sine of the value. This is an example of an inverse sine function.
Created using Powtoon.